This is a 2005 Mercury Montego. More than just a ride, great engineering. The most desirable features on board this Mercury include adjustable driver pedals, a heated driver's seat, a 6-disc remote CD changer which can read MP3s, a passenger airbag with occupant sensors and multi-stage deployment, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 120,000 miles. The solid 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, produces crisp acceleration. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle pays off in the long run. Not to mention that this Mercury qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking car.